from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to the Virginia/North Carolina border out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Cape Charles Light to the Virginia/North Carolina border out 20 nautical miles. Current Sound. Coastal waters from the North Carolina/Virginia border to Current Beach Light, North Carolina out 20 nautical miles. Waters from the North Carolina/Virginia border to Current Beach Light, North Carolina 20 to 40 nautical miles until 7 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles south of Belleville Bay to 9 nautical miles west of Eatonton, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, Horseshoe, Chesapeake Light Tower, Current Sound, Anglo-African Wreck, Virginia Beach Oceanfront, Cape Henry, Thimble Shoals, Sand Bridge, Buoy for Adridox, Deal Island, Sewell's Point, Ruddy Inlet, Hot Dog Area off Virginia Beach, First Island Bay Bridge, Curve Beach Light, Nuts Island Bay, Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, Fish Hook and Lynn Haven. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.